I welcome you all, dear students of class 6th. Today I am going to tell you something about the Earth in the solar system. This is chapter 1 of geography, and it's a very interesting chapter in which we are going to know something about the heavenly bodies. So children, our solar system is made up of sun, 8 planets, moon, asteroids and comets. One by one we are going to discuss each and everything over here. Now children, after the sunset, when you see in a clear sky, you see many twinkling stars shining in the sky. First you are able to see only one or two, and after that the sky is studded with small twinkling stars like a gems all over the sky. Now children, this is called as a universe. In this universe, we have a sun over there. We have 8 planets over there. Moon is also there. And asteroids and comets are also present over there. As you know, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. And in order to learn it, we can revise it in a very beautiful way. That is M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars. After that we have J for Jupiter, and we have Saturn, S for Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so in order to learn it, we can call it my very efficient M for Mother just served us nuts. This is a small and a beautiful way to learn it. Okay, so you can see all these planets, they are revolving around the sun. Sun is in the center of this solar system, and all these planets are revolving around the sun on its orbit. Okay, I'll let you know what is orbit also after this. Now children, first of all let me tell you. Now these planets along with stars, moon and sun, these are called as celestial bodies. These are called as celestial bodies. The sun, stars, moon and the planets, these are called as the celestial bodies. Okay. After that, these celestial bodies, you can see that the sun in this picture, you can see that sun is in the center and the various planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, and these planets, they all are revolving on their fixed path, which is elongated. What do you mean by elongated? Elongated means it's not in the shape of a circle. It's you can see extended towards the side in the shape of an oval. इसको orbit बोलते हैं. ठीक है, और ये सारे you can see all these are moving around the sun. Okay, this path is known as orbit. After that, I should tell you about the sun also. What is sun? Sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. It is a hot balloon of gases. It is made up of hot gases and it has immense heat and light. It is at least 150 million kilometer from the earth also. Earth से ये बहुत दूर है. Or sun is also a star like other stars which are twinkling in the sky. Now you can raise a question over here that why then the sun appears so big and the other stars appear so small. The reason is the sun is 150 million kilometer away from the earth. That means it is not so quite far away from the earth, but other stars which are twinkling in the sky, they are quite far away. That is why we can say that these stars are smaller in size. They appear smaller in size in comparison to the sun. Okay, now after that, these are celestial bodies, the sun, the moon, you can see over here, and all these objects which are shining in the night sky, these are called as celestial bodies. Okay, now you can see the stars also here. What are these? These are the celestial bodies. These stars, they will have their own heat and light, and these are called as stars, and sun is the largest star in our solar system. Is it clear? Now children, one thing more I will tell you. Now these stars, they, if you see in the sky today, you just after the sunset, you just go up on the terrace and you see the different patterns which are formed by these stars. ये stars अलग अलग के अलग अलग पैटर्न बनाते हैं. जैसे आप लोग देखते हैं ना, when you were in this LKG, UKG, you used to join the dots. Is it clear? In the same way, these stars make a different pattern. How? जब हम इन stars को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये डिफरेंट पैटर्न फॉर्म करते हैं, और यहाँ इसको हम कॉन्स्टिलेशंस कहते हैं. सो कॉन्स्टिलेशन इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार विच फॉर्म्स डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स इन द स्काई. तो यहाँ पे एक कॉन्स्टिलेशन आपको दिखाया गया है, दैट इज अ उर्सा मेजर और अ बिग बेयर. ये देखिए आपका उर्सा मेजर का कितना अच्छा आपका यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. ओके, दिस इज उर्सा मेजर और अ बिग बेयर. इज इट क्लियर? यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. तो ये इसको हम कॉन्स्टिलेशन बोलते हैं. ओके, तो उर्सा मेजर कॉन्स्टिलेशन का एक आपका वो है. उसके बाद यू कैन सी बेयर ओवर हियर, द शेप ऑफ अ बेयर ओवर हियर. ये डिफरेंट शेप जो बनाते हैं आप लोग, आप देखना रात में ये जो स्टार्स है ये डिफरेंट शेप बनाते हैं. अगर आप इनको ज्वाइन करके देखोगे तो इसको हम कॉन्स्टिलेशंस बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दिस, you know, we have a moon also. Moon is also a celestial body. Now what is a moon? बेटा, moon is a satellite of the earth. सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ माने क्या होता है? वो अर्थ के चक्कर लगा रहा है, वो सन के चक्कर नहीं लगा रहा है, वो अर्थ के चक्कर लगा रहा है. अर्थ के आगे पीछे रिवॉल्व कर रहा है, रोटेट होते साथ में. एंड वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, दिस मून, इसका शेप चेंज होता रहता है. 15 डेज ये बढ़ता है, 15 डेज ये छोटा होता है. ठीक है, आप एक समय ऐसा आता है जब मून जो हमको पूरा गोल दिखाई देता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ फुल मून डे, जिसको हम हिंदी में पूर्णिमा बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? पूर्णिमा में क्या होता है, हमको मून बड़ा दिखाई देता है. आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद अनदर 15 डेज मून आप छोटा होना शुरू हो जाता है, और जब 15 डेज पे आता है तो अमावस्या आती है, उसको हम इंग्लिश में न्यू मून डे बोलते हैं, जिसमें कि हमको मून सिर्फ पतला सा क्रिस्टल